Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is a everyday glam get ready with me. I am by no means saying that I do my makeup every day like this and do my hair and dress like this every day, because that is not the truth. The truth is I'm literally in my pajamas until I have to go somewhere. I don't wear makeup every day. I usually don't wear makeup at all until I have to. And I don't do my hair every day. So this is kind of a look that if I were going somewhere and I wanted to look extra but still not trying too hard, this is the look that I would go for. And I'm not going anywhere today, honestly. I'm just gonna be, you know, extra done up today for no reason. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, this hairstyle, and see my outfit at the end of the video, then please keep watching. Alright, I don't know what kind of look I'm doing, guys, but I know I have to prime my eyes, so I'm using the Makeover Workshop eyeshadow primer. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I think I'm going to go with my I Heart Makeup Naked Underneath eyeshadow palette. This is definitely one of my favorites, but it's so janky, it broke apart. It's so sad. I'll just set this over here. I'm going to take this really pretty cool toned brown shade and just apply this all over my lid. And I am avoiding my crease, just getting that lid. I think I'll avoid the inner part of my tear duct too, because I have other plans for that area. So let's just get majority of the lid with the exception of the inner tear duct. So this is one of my favorite shades in the palette. I'm obsessed with this shade for some reason. I'm going to take the same brush, I just kind of cleaned it off a little bit, and really load up that product and just pop it in the inner tear duct area right here. This will definitely kind of brighten up the look. I'm just kind of blending that into the brown shade that we just applied. See? Alright, taking a blending brush, let's go in with this shade right here. This is kind of like a warm toned matte camel color. Let's just buff that right into the crease. Let's go in with this darker matte brown shade. I'm taking a more tapered blending brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. This is the 224 Luxe Defined Crease Brush by Zoeva. I'm just gonna take that dark brown shade and just put it right where my lid meets my crease, and that'll just kind of define the line and just kind of carve out our lid a little bit more, make it pop a little bit more. And lastly for eyeshadow, I'm taking this matte cream shade right here, and I'm just gonna dust that underneath my brow and just kind of lifts our brow and blends out any harsh lines. This is like what I do in every look just to kind of perfect it. For eyeliner, I'm just gonna go with the good old classic Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner pen, and we're just gonna do a good old cat eye. You can come in.
So I had some bad luck. I didn't have normal coffee. So.
The odds are against me today. Oh, that's really nice of you. Thank you.
But
I still like this. Do you want to try some? Here.
Go for it. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Sugary.
It is very sugary.
God.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy that
Yeah, I will.
cup of sugar. My God.
Thank you. Alright, let's put some mascara on. I'm using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. And I'm just going to coat those lashes. Definitely poked myself in the eye just now. Whew. And that is why I don't do foundation first before my eyes, because I always get like fallout and like mascara crap everywhere. I'm really messy, so that's why we do the eyes first. So I was just cleaning out my lash drawer yesterday and I totally forgot that I had these. These are the Salon Perfect multi-pack. These are the 614s. You can get these at Walmart for super cheap. So I'm just gonna use these. They're just really nice, dramatic, wispy lashes. Wow, these are so long. been a while since I've used like long lashes. Oh, I had to put my hair up because it is hot in here. Like, it's so freaking hot. It hurts. Let's do some foundation. I have never used this and it's been floating in my drawer for like 6 months. So I'm using the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Primer. And let's just put this all over our face. It's like a lotion consistency. Usually I go for like the silicone-y, slippery crap, so we'll see how this works. It's been a little while since this is so messy, since I've used my Kat Von D Lock It Foundation. I was really obsessed with this for a while, and then I kind of took a little break from it because I found other loves, but let's just go for it today. Definitely a little light for my skin tone, that's a first. Let's darken it up a little bit. Normally I would add this to it before I apply it all over my face, but since the damage is done, I'm just using some Temp 2. This is like a shimmery bronzer. It's supposed to just kind of add a little bit of glow to the foundation, I guess. So we'll see if it blends. I hope it does. I don't think I like this primer at all, guys. It's really hard to blend out my foundation. It's like sticking to my face. So I'm gonna have to say that over the past couple months I've been trying my best to use products that I don't use every day, products that I kind of just push to the back of my drawer, and I just want to like use them and get my money's worth. So I have been like mixing colors and foundations just to make them work for me. So I've been trying to get rid of this for a long time. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Bisque. I got it for contouring, but I don't do that much contouring with concealers anymore because I'm just lazy. So I've been just using this underneath my eyes, and then I mix it with a really light concealer that's too light for my skin and make the perfect shade for myself. So I think it's just the best way to use products up and just like mix them and make them work for you at that time, because you know your skin color is constantly changing, you know, depending on what the season is. Let's go on with some translucent powder. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. And set it into place. So I'm going to use a new brow product today that I've never used before. This is the Essence Super Last 24-Hour Brow Pencil. As of lately, I have not been into like a super sculpted brow. I've been more into like natural, just filled in brows. So don't expect to see any like super sculpting from me anytime soon. I'm really into like the natural look. I'm trying to find which edition this Deck of Scarlet palette is. I have no idea, it doesn't say. This is one of my favorite bronzers right here. So just look for a palette that looks like this if you're looking to get it. I'm using this shade right here. It's like my favorite bronzer. It's so creamy and it's like perfect for my skin tone. Oh, I definitely put too much on, but that's okay. I'm gonna blend that better later. We'll get back to that. Get up in here. And then right up down here, you know what I'm saying. Alright, for highlighting, I'm just gonna go with good old faithful Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. Yep, that's the stuff. That is the stuff. Let's go in with this darker shade right here that we used in our crease, and take the top part of this palette, and I'm just going to smudge that underneath my lower lash line. Alright, going back to that light shade that we put in the inner part of our tear duct, we're going to put it right underneath our lower part of our tear duct. And that'll help open up our eyes, make it look a little brighter. And to finish the look off, I'm just going to use Fresh Cut by Colourpop. This is the shade I've been talking about for the past like 7 videos. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I love this shade. Alright, so the makeup is complete. Let's move on to the hair. So I'm thinking we're just going to do like a big, messy, kind of wavy ponytail because I'm feeling really lazy and I don't know what the heck's going on with my hair today. So So let's just put it up. I always flip my head upside down. I put my high ponies in, so I don't know if you can even see me still. Feels so good to get that hair off my neck. So I'm just kind of pulling at the top of it to make it a little bit more messy. I find that when I have a really like smooth ponytail, it makes my forehead look even bigger than it already is, which is pretty big. So kind of just pull at it. I'm just gonna go through and curl my ponytail. I'm gonna use the Pro Fashion curling wand. It has two different other size barrels to go with it. I'm using the middle sized one. I usually go with the middle size barrel because the small one's too small, big one's too big, so this is just perfect. So let's just put a little wave in our hair. My baby hairs are at such a weird state in their life. Like they're growing, but they're too short to put up in my ponytail, and they're too long to leave down, so I'm just gonna brush them down to the side. Cute, cute. All right, I'm gonna knock the volume up in my ponytail by using Puff Me. I'm gonna just spray it all throughout my ponytail. This is just a texture powder, and it just kind of helps your hair have more texture. Let's just take little pieces and backcomb them for even more volume. And then I just kind of lightly comb it down. To kind of finish things off, I'm just going to take a little piece from underneath here and wrap it around my hair tie so you cannot see it. So this is kind of my classic go-to outfit. We have a plaid shirt here, which is kind of like a staple in my wardrobe. I love myself a good plaid shirt around the waist. I just feel like if I get cold, I can put it on at any time. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. It is now nighttime. Just kind of lost track of time. Anyways, yeah, so I can put it on whenever it's cold out. Plus, I can eat as much as I want and nobody knows what's really happening underneath. These are the jeans that I'm wearing. I got these from Fashion Nova. I really love them. They're super comfortable and stretchy. They feel like sweatpants. So yeah, I love those. I recently hauled this top in a Forever 21 haul. It was like 10 bucks, so like why not? The necklace that I'm wearing is from shopmissa.com. It was $1, guys. It's so cute. I love it. I got my bracelets from Florida. I was actually at like a gift shop. This one has a cute little dangly on it. Love my danglies. But they were like, the one on the top with the gemstone was $10 and the one on the bottom was $5, so I could not say no to that. And lastly, my shoes. These are so comfortable, guys. Like, I'm obsessed with them. I got these from Gabe's for $10. Yeah. So yeah, that is my go-to outfit, and let's take a look over here at the giant mess that I created while I was filming this video. It's intense. Actually, it's not that bad. It's been much worse in the past, but you know, it could be better. I tried really hard this time to keep it clean, and that's what happened. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.